Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I clean my cleaning cloths.
We use a lot of items around the house to help us clean, and we have to think about cleaning those items too. Some of them are the cleaning cloths and rags. I usually throw them into a box in my garage, and when the box is full, I know it's time to wash them. If I have cloths that need to be washed in a certain way or disinfected very well before washing, I do that. Otherwise, I throw them into this box and then do a load of laundry. Before putting them into the washer, I make sure I shake them very well. This way I get rid of that extra dust and debris. I have so many cleaning cloths and rags, and they help me so much with my cleaning. I have cloths for windows, furniture, kitchen, bathroom, floors, absorbent ones, shining ones, you name it. I am a clothes addict. I have so many and I never have enough. And I really enjoy trying new ones, different ones, discovering always items to help my cleaning. One thing I really hate is running out of clean rags. Can you relate? I use a color coding with my cleaning cloths, and I always know what I can clean with what cloth. Then I put them into the washer and add some powder detergent and a disinfecting liquid and wash them on a medium cycle. I always add some Hygienol or Dettol liquid disinfectant for fabric into the softener drawer. It kills bacteria and germs, fungus and viruses. It removes bad odors, perfumes, does not contain bleach. It works for whites and darks. It's efficient even at low temperatures and protects fabrics and colors. I add 3 taps according to instructions. Always check your cloth tags to see how you can wash them. Do not use bleach or fabric softener. Bleach will ruin microfiber, and fabric softener will coat the cloths and minimize their cleaning power. You could also ruin the microfiber by washing it on a hot cycle. Do not forget to leave your washing machine door and drawer open to allow the machine to dry after emptying your laundry. This will prevent smells plus mold and mildew buildup. My load is done, and now I will toss them into the dryer. Don't use dryer sheets because they leave a film that will make the cloths less useful for cleaning. Now I will show you how I fold and store them. You can see I have my helper like always. In my bathroom I have a drawer designated for bathroom and glass cloths. Then a shelf with old towels that I use for cleaning. Then I have 2 baskets where I keep all my cloths, but first I have to fold everything. When I finished using a cloth, I always put it on the edge of the box or basket in order to dry. You saw how all my cloths were kind of hanging out of that box. If you simply toss them into a basket until you have enough for a load of laundry, you will start to have a musty smell coming from the basket after a few days and even mold. When it comes to cleaning, you'll get a better clean from using a cloth or rag than when using rolls of paper towels. There is less lint and it is much better for the environment. Plus, it's cheaper to wash and reuse a cleaning rag than to buy roll after roll of paper towels. You shouldn't wash your cleaning rags in a standard load of laundry. You could spread germs from dirty rags into your clothes. You should use microfiber cloths, they are amazing. The uses and benefits of microfiber cloths are numerous, beginning with the ability to clean just about anything. These cloths are ideal for both wet and dry jobs and can pick up dirt and dust just as well as they can absorb liquid. They are the perfect option for dusting and cleaning surfaces without the need to use a traditional cloth treated with chemical cleaning spray, especially if you are concerned about the health and safety hazards of chemical cleaning products. Split microfiber can also be positively charged, so it operates like a magnet to pick up negatively charged dirt and dust particles. Untreated cotton cloths will often just push dirt and dust around, which means you just have more to clean on another surface later. You can also use microfiber cloths for wet cleaning, and they make great cloths for removing dirt, grease and other stains and spills. Unlike a paper towel that will break apart as you scrub, or a traditional cotton cloth that will just move the dirt around, microfiber cloth grabs the dirt and holds it in the towel. In many cases, you can even use it without any added chemical cleaners, although that depends on the type of stain you are trying to remove. Microfiber's absorbency means it's a great cloth for cleaning windows and mopping up messes around the house and businesses. These cloths can hold up to 7 times their own weight in liquid, so you get streak-free glass cleaning or a durable way to clean up spills, eliminating the need to use disposable items and contribute to landfill waste. Whether used wet or dry, microfiber is also a popular choice for cleaning cloths because it's so easy to clean afterward. It's machine washable and reusable, so you get environmentally friendly benefits as well. On my channel, I make content about cleaning, organizing, decor, hacks, the day-to-day homemaking. I hope you will stick around. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. There you can find more videos like this. Now I put back everything and I'm done. Cleaning can continue. I used all these cloths with my spring cleaning. Please let me know in the comments below if you have a lot of cloths and rags. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!